What an incredible achievement. Tilak Varma and Sanju Samson both smashed centuries in today's T20I against South Africa. This marks the first time in history that two batters have scored centuries in a T20I match between two full-member teams. Prior to this, only associate teams had pulled off such feats: Czech Republic vs. Bulgaria and Japan vs. China. This is only the 8th time ever in T20 history, including leagues and domestic matches. History made. Organ. South Africa vs India, 4th T20I. Info. Live. Scorecard. Squads. Overs. Highlights. News. Innings break. End. 283. -1. 20. CRR 14.15p. Ship 21086. Mo. Batter. R. B. Foz. 6. SR. Sanju Samson. 109. 56. 6. 9. 194.64. Tilak Varma. 120. 47. 9. 10. 255.32. Bowler. O. M. R. W. Eco. Marco Jansen. 4. 0. 42. 0. 10.5. Key stats. Close. Partnership. 210. 86. Last wicket. Abhishek Sharma C. Klasen B. Sipamla 36. 18. 73 over 1 in 5.50. Last 5 overs. 64 runs. 0 WKTS. Last 3 overs. 43 runs. 0 WKTS. Match videos. View all. Good to see South Africa invest in all-rounders Dinesh Karthik. Good to see South Africa invest in all-rounders Dinesh Karthik. Markram can take a leaf from Ricky Ponting's book Dinesh Karthik. Markram can take a leaf from Ricky Ponting's book Dinesh Karthik. Missing out on T20 WC seems to have affected Rinku Singh Zahir Khan. Missing out on T20 WC seems to have affected Rinku Singh Zahir Khan. Tilak's attitude key to his success in the T20 format Zahir Khan. Tilak's attitude key to his success in the T20 format, Zahir Khan. Fantasy Handbook SA VIND 4THT20I 2024. Fantasy Handbook, SA VIND, 4th T20I, 2024. Partnership of 210 *BW Sanju and Tilak. Greater than highest for any wicket for India. Greater than highest for any wicket vs South Africa. Greater than highest for second wicket or below for any team in all T20s. Highest total in AT20 IBW2 full member sides. 297 sixths in vs Ban Hyderabad 2024. 283 over 1 in vs SA Johannesburg 2024 *. 278 thirds AFG vs IR Dehradun 2019. 267 thirds Eng vs White Aruba 2023. Stat: 23 sixes this innings, the most in AT20I between two full member sides. Previous most, 22 each by IND vs Ban in Hyderabad in 2024, by WI vs SA in Centurion in 2023, and 22 by AFG vs IR in Dehradun in 2019. Crickbuzz Live South Africa v India 4th T20I Mid-Innings Show. Crickbuzz Live, South Africa v India, 4th T20I Mid-Innings Show. 1852 local time, 1652 Greenwich Mean Time, 2222 IST, few. This has been absolute carnage. Second highest T20 total for India. Their highest total against South Africa. Two batters getting hundreds, record 200 plus partnership, 23 sixes smashed, people not safe in the crowd and the opposition flattened. Pure box office. India had been threatening to breach the 250 mark in the series and they have finally done it. The openers got them off to a blazing start and there was no looking back even after Abhishek's dismissal. The hero from the first game and the hero from the third joined hands to put on a show for the Joburg crowd. The duo matched each other shot for shot and competed as to who would get their 100 first. Tilak raced ahead due to farming the strike for most parts at the later stage, but Samson too got his moment. South Africa were once again indisciplined, sloppy and plain ordinary in both departments. They now have to rely on their batters to eclipse what Samson and Tilak have done. Tilak Varma made 120 of 47 balls while Sanju Samson also steals the show by making 109 runs of 56 balls. 23 sixes this innings, the most in AT20I between two full member sides. Previous most, 22 each by IND vs Ban in Hyderabad in 2024, by WI vs SA in Centurion in 2023, and 22 by AFG vs IR in Dehradun in 2019. First instance of two batters scoring individual hundreds in 82-0 between two full-member sides, third time overall in the format. Back-to-back tons for Tilak. Full credit to Sky for this emergence. He promoted the youngster to number 3 and he has delivered. He leaps in the air, takes off his helmet, points a hand towards the sky and another to his ear, he then blows a kiss towards SKY. He has rode his luck today but has deserved it because of the way he has gone about his batting. Coming to the ball, full delivery outside off, squeezed square of the wicket and Tilak races back for the second, dives in and makes his ground 2 tons and 2 ducks for him in this series. It has been a top knock, might be even better than the previous one. He raises his bat and acknowledges the applause, does not remove his helmet or do the typical bicep flex celebration. Short of length around off, Samson rides the bounce and punches it square of the wicket. Finally India made 283 for the loss of 1 wicket in 20 overs.